folks, what's up? My name is Liana, and today I'm going to be bedazzling a brand new pair of Nike Air Force Ones. Who's excited? I'm excited. A little backstory on why I'm deciding to do this. So last summer I attended an acting program in the city. I saw this girl and her shoes like smacked me in the face because they were just so sparkly. And I was like, we're gonna be friends. You got some nice shoes. Like, I like them. They were so beautiful and bedazzled. They had rhinestones all over them. And I was just like, where did you get your shoes? And she told me that her friend had made them, and she has an Instagram account where she sells them. She gave me the Instagram account. I go into the Instagram and they're over $400 for a pair. And I was like, oh, that's really funny. That's really funny. So I went out and I bought these Nike Air Force Ones. What I did to save money on them is if you don't have giant feet and if you could fit into kid sizes, then do that. I'm usually like a size 7.5, 8. These are a boy's size 5.5. You save money when you buy them in the kids sizes, so do that. I purchased these crystals to put on my shoes from a place called Toho Beads. It's in the city and they sell all different types of beads and crystals. The girl that makes them usually uses Swarovski, those crystals, but these, look how beautiful they are. These are the Toho ones and they're just as sparkly as the Swarovski ones, but they're not as much money. So we're saving money. I also purchased these AB crystals and these have like some rainbow in them. I might throw these in the mix of the clear white crystals. I can't wait to get started and bedazzle my Nike Air Force Ones. I hope you enjoy the process of me turning these shoes more me. I love sparkles and sassy good times, so I'm going to reflect that onto my feet. Can't wait. To adhere the stones, I used Unique Stitch, but you could also use Liquid Stitch. Finished one toe box. It's honestly beautiful, but it might be worth $400 to make someone else do this instead of doing it yourself. Oh my god, this is mad work. On to the next. This is one complete one and I'm working on the other one still right now. Can't wait to be done.